For over 125 years, Yamaha's been involved with music from A to Z. And when it comes to audio, Yamaha's truly powered by music. Wouldn't it be nice to take the great sound you love from Yamaha wherever you go? With the Yamaha PDX B11, you can do just that. Whether plugged into the wall or using battery power, the PDX B11 is portable in design. What really sets the PDX B11 into high gear is its ability to connect to virtually any phone or computer with its Bluetooth connectivity. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on your phone, computer, or other Bluetooth media device. Press the pairing button on the top of the PDX B11 and locate the PDX B11 in the devices list on your phone or computer. Once paired, the PDX B11 will remember your connection and automatically reconnect when you're in pairing range. Now that you're connected, notice that all the play controls and volume can be changed right from the music device. For those who don't have Bluetooth, use the auxiliary input on the back panel of the PDX B11 instead. With wireless connectivity from Bluetooth, a design ready for transport, and impressive sound from a powerful two-way speaker design, Yamaha's PDX B11 will surely spark the party and let the good times roll.